What's up viewers, Nick here from TV Box Top and welcome back to another projector review. This projector is the latest model from the makers of Aurzen. This is the Aurzen EAZZE D1 series 1080p Netflix and Prime Video certified autofocus and auto keystone medium-sized projector. You can tell right away when a product is well made when the manufacturer uses quality materials for the design, pays attention to aesthetics, and everything else down to its packaging. This is one of those models, and I'm quite excited to see its picture quality and features, so without further ado, I'll get right into it. So I'm back, and during this unboxing I'll give you a quick rundown of its specs. The EAZZE D1 has a native 1920 by 1080p resolution. For brightness it has 200 ANSI lumens, and where brightness is concerned you should read Aurzen's statement highlighting its certification and the claim of false lumens measurement by other sellers. Its light source is LED and its display is LCD. Its aspect ratio is 16:9. It has a Linux operating system with full Netflix ESN certification and Prime Video. It has autofocus, auto keystone, and auto 4D corner keystone. It has dual band Wi-Fi. It has Dolby audio with dual 10 watts speakers, and a two-way Bluetooth audio where you can use it as a Bluetooth speaker as well as connect to Bluetooth headphones, speakers, and AV receivers. And in the box you have your standard projector contents. So this is their latest D1 model. You get one infrared remote, one HDMI cable, a 21 volts 2.85 amps DC power adapter, a cleaning kit for the projector lens and for the LCD screen on the inside. You get a warranty card and your user manual. So the design of this model contains a plexiglass covered front, and behind this plexiglass you have an autofocus and auto keystone camera, an IR sensor, and its triple glass coated lens with its silicone cover. To its right side, it has one HDMI input, two USB ports, one AV port, a headphone jack, its DC power socket, its right internal speaker, and its exhaust vent. On the opposite side, you have its left internal speaker. To its rear, you have a rear-facing IR sensor and dual intake vents with removable dust filters. At the top, you have touch button manual controls and an LED power indicator. And to its base has 4 anti-skid rubber feet, a screw type kickstand, and a single screw mounting hole for mounting to a tripod or ceiling mount. So for testing, I have it set up on a projector stand at 8 feet 2.1 meters, which produces a 77 inches display. This is a high contrast ALR projector screen, but you can use it on any projector screen you like. To get your hands on this special ALR projector fabric that enhances your display by up to 50%, see the link in the description below this video. So on first startup, you have a first startup wizard followed by its first autofocus calibration, and then you have full control of your launcher. So this is the layout of the launcher. It consists of shortcuts for easy access to Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, Plex, and APK App Store, Open Browser, and a couple of live streaming apps. As soon as you connect to the internet, it will populate with trending content from Netflix and Prime Video. However, you cannot sideload other apps such as Disney Plus or Max as they are not included in the App Store. So when it comes to its brightness, its edges, its focus distribution, and its color gamut, as stated in the product description, it has 200 ANSI lumens, which equates to around 480 LED lumens because its light source is LED. If you were to use light source lumens, which is a different unit of measurement, it equates to around 6,000 lumens. So its display is bright, but not as bright as lumens you get from full-size projectors like the Nexigo PGF40 or projectors that have DLP displays. However, for home theaters and outdoor usage, it's bright enough once the environment is dark. It would not do so well in brightly lit rooms or daytime. It has sharp edges, and I'm not experiencing any blurring to one side or to its edges where its autofocus is concerned. Its color gamut produces deep blues, reds, and greens. The maximum display size you can get from its projector before it starts losing a bit of clarity is around 150 inches. So this is the layout of its settings area, and under setup you can change its language, date and time format, screen saver option, sleep timer option, enable or disable auto sleep, upgrade its firmware via USB, update over the internet, and reset to factory default. Under picture mode, you can adjust its brightness and color and its color temperature when you set it to custom. Under audio, you can change its sound style from presets. You can select which Dolby format between Dolby Digital and Dolby Digital Plus. You have some text-to-speech options, dialogue enhancement, and you can enable or disable keytone sounds. You have Bluetooth options for connecting to Bluetooth speakers, headsets, and AV receivers. I couldn't connect any Bluetooth remotes or gamepads. You have dual band Wi-Fi connectivity. You have options to change its projection direction, auto keystone, and 4-point corner keystone options. You have 50% digital zoom, auto focus options, and information on its firmware version and Netflix ESN license. One of its highlighted features is its ability to play Dolby audio. From my testing, I would also like to add that it's specifically Dolby Atmos and Dolby Digital Plus. It cannot process Dolby Surround or Dolby True HD. Also, its internal video processing is limited to HD 1080p HDR videos as it cannot process 4K.
This is Dolby Atmos, the world's first object-based cinematic audio. With powerful moving audio that transcends from channels to moving around you with pinpoint accuracy.
For playing images in a loop, it comes with a simple image looping software that allows you to adjust the size of the photo, the speed of the transition, and how you would like to play the images, whether in a loop, at random, or from start to finish. With its Netflix and Prime Video apps, you can watch your paid subscriptions in HD 1080p resolution with HDR with 5.1 surround audio. If you open the app section, you will find a Mirrorcast feature. the option to use the projector as a Bluetooth speaker, and you have the official screencasting feature where you can cast apps such as YouTube directly to the projector using the screen share icon. If you prefer not to use the built-in certified Netflix app, you have the option to connect certified streaming devices such as the Google Chromecast, the Nvidia Shield, Amazon Fire TV devices, and other boxes that has full Google certification. One of the devices that has difficulty running Netflix on projectors due to its HDMI signal encryption is the Google Chromecast. Here it's running perfectly and it plays Netflix videos with audio. So using an Android box connected to its HDMI port, I will now play a 4K AV1 video, and I've already fine-tuned its focus and its color and brightness, and let's see its optimal display quality. So, for a medium-sized projector with only 200 lumens, its display quality and brightness and its focus distribution is really good. In my opinion, this is one of the best budget projectors for 2024. For those who love gaming on their projector screens, here is a sample of how it looks connected to my Windows gaming PC with a high graphics Windows game. You can pair your mobile phones to the projector and use its internal speakers as Bluetooth speakers. However, as you just heard during the demonstration, its internal speakers are not that powerful and lack a deep bass. In reverse, you can also pair it with the Bluetooth speakers, headphones, and AV receivers. You simply open the Bluetooth section and enable the Bluetooth feature and scan with your mobile phone to detect its Aurzen EAZZE signal. For fan noise, from a distance of 1 meter, this projector generates around 42 decibels, which is normal for a medium-sized projector. And there you have it. This was my review of the EAZZE Series D1 from Aurzen. This medium-sized projector delivers great display for the price. It has Netflix and Prime Video certification to play movies in HD with HDR. It can play 1080p videos with Dolby audio internally, and it has autofocus and auto keystone feature. So if you are interested, for only $79.99, and that is when you apply a $15 coupon, you can get one on Amazon while stocks last. So see the link in the description below. I always remind you that links in the description are affiliate links that earn small commissions when you use them to purchase. These go towards shipping and securing new products for review. So I'll appreciate it if you use my links in the description to purchase. So there you have it, folks. Click the like and subscribe button, share this video with your various social media interest groups, and let's get to 100,000 subscribers. Thanks again for watching, and see you in the next one.